Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have ADA Cardano update. Let's see where are we going. Guys, of course, before I begin, join our monthly subscription. Only 50 people can join in because I don't have time for more. You get automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, of course, videos, informative videos, and many more. Join in and of course join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below. Both of these links are in the description down below. So let's see some important things here, guys. First of all, we went up to 1.38, 39 around there. We found a little bit of resistance. Now we are going down, but in overall, guys, if you look closely, we are looking good. We are making higher lows, and eventually we don't go down as much as Bitcoin does because we are outperforming Bitcoin. We will see about that. Let's go now to the MACD. We got the 1.44 actually, of course, as our next target, and we hope to get to even to 1.55. Now we are ready to go to the MACD, and the MACD here you can see, guys, that now what we want to see is eventually if we can surpass this resistance level. This will be very good. However, going beyond this support line wasn't good, and of course if we don't surpass this resistance line, we might have a bearish cross and go all the way down. That's something we want to avoid, right? So let's go now to ADA. In the USDT, guys, you can see that on the RSI we are making higher lows, and what we want for ADA is to keep having these higher lows and go into an overbought situation for the RSI. For the commodity channel index, guys, we were in an overbought situation, therefore we should be careful. And of course, the next thing is that we corrected a little bit from here, guys, above the 100. You can see when we are going into an overbought situation, we are correcting and we are having a very critical situation, and of course, guys, a very high risk, and therefore we need to see now whether we have buying opportunity or not. The green line is above the red line. We have a buying opportunity. We still have a buying opportunity according to the SSL channel. Let's go now to the daily frame. A buying opportunity here, guys. We don't have a short position yet. We don't have a red arrow, so we could sell for the SSL hybrid. Our indicator right here, you can see we had a buying opportunity, and we haven't yet seen a sign of shorting, right? Because if we see the red arrow, this means we have to sell according to this indicator. Let's go a little bit to the Bollinger Bands. We approach the bottom line. We had a buying opportunity here. You can see now that we are going all the way upwards, and what we want to see is eventually we can go and retest the 1.44. It will be very great, and this is our next target, guys, for the daily frame. You can see now we don't stand in an oversold situation, sorry, guys. However, we don't want to fall down. We want to see a pattern following it like this for ADA, right? We want to go upwards, guys. We don't want to fall down again below minus 100. Same here, guys, for the RSI. We fall down below minus 100, we might approach lower levels, but for now we are looking good. We haven't approached yet the 30 for the RSI, therefore we can correct a little bit more. The MACD, you can see here, we haven't had a bullish cross and the further distance between the signal line and the blue line yet. We had the bullish cross here, but it wasn't enough. You can see we couldn't get a little bit bullish, and then we had a bearish recross right afterwards. Now we want to see how long can we go because, guys, the down we go, the deeper we go down, the more the buying opportunities, as we know. And so we want to wait and see. We have a very nice bullish recross here between the blue line and the signal line. Let's go now to ADA Bitcoin chart, guys. You can see the reversal head and shoulders pattern, a left shoulder ahead and the right shoulder. What we want to see is eventually going above this resistance level right here, the 0.4040 or 41. You can see on the commodity channel index we are going into an overbought situation again, but we want to get higher, guys. We want to maintain a little bit like this and then go upwards, and you can see that's the reason, guys, we are going against Bitcoin, because we had our bottom here. Now we are going all the way outperforming Bitcoin, and now we want to outperform Bitcoin again. For the RSI, guys, we don't have any overbought situation. That is very good. You can see like we have here reversal head and shoulders pattern. Of course, right here, guys, you can see the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. Now we want to go upwards as well. So you can find such patterns everywhere. So for the commodity channel index, we are about to have an overbought situation, but on the RSI, according to the RSI, we can grow more. Let's go to the MACD. On the MACD, we surpassed the resistance line. That is very, very good. We want actually to keep going on and on for ADA Bitcoin chart. So ADA Bitcoin is looking good on the 4-hour frame. However, on the daily frame, guys, we went beyond the 50 EMA, but for now we don't have a bearish cross between the 10 EMA and the 50 EMA. That's very, very good. If you go to the weekly frame, you all know we have gone parabolic with Cardano Bitcoin chart, and we have some more room to grow from here, let's say up to there, 76% according to historical data. So now on the weekly frame, you can see we are not in an oversold situation. But what we want, overbought situation, sorry guys, but what we want to see is eventually we can do something like this again, because this is what happens in a parabolic situation, guys. We are going upwards again, and we might soon see the Cardano against Bitcoin moving upwards. This will be very, very good for Cardano, guys. You can see the weekly candles here, how they close a little bit above. It is amazing. Let's go now to the price analysis here, guys. You can see that we have the 1.44 as our price target again, and you can see that we can even go to 1.55 if Bitcoin, guys, continue having the swing high, because I told you that personally I believe if we lose, guys, this support level right here, or we approach this support level, then it is very, very difficult to keep having higher lows and higher highs. Eventually we might fall further down, especially if we lose, guys, this one right here, the 31,700, then of course we are going all the way down. What we are hoping for right now is to keep having the higher low pattern, higher low, of course, and the higher high pattern, eventually going even to 36,500 or 35,900, around there. Tether USD, our next price target for Bitcoin. So ADA, guys, if Bitcoin does that, ADA can move surely to 1.44. Why not to 1.55, guys? Our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and of course we want to go in there. We are looking good, guys. In case you didn't see, other altcoins are losing some momentum, but Cardano is here to stay. You can see the higher low right now, and of course the higher high right here. So therefore what we expect is to grow even more in terms of if Bitcoin, of course, goes right there, as we said, guys, because eventually losing this support level, we go all the way down. Maintaining this support level, our next target is 35,900, 36,500. You can see there is a bit indecisiveness in the market now, and the reason is that we had an overbought situation. Now we are going all the way down. We need to see if we can form a higher low pattern here and eventually don't go down from this one right here. And of course we need to see if we can have a bullish candle right there, guys, for Bitcoin, and eventually go all the way upwards for Bitcoin chart. We need to see a bullish momentum right here, and of course not go all the way down to this support level. We had an overbought situation here, so that's why, guys, I told you yesterday to be careful, because on the short term we will correct, but that's not necessary that on the next few days we will correct even more. We might just grow up, and therefore for ADA the next price targets are always here, guys. Our 1.34 was met. Now we are looking to 1.44 and 1.55. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.